Hello! Video of a test of the Lexus RX 300 2019 emergency opening and starting with a SKESS-L device from a multi-story building. This is the SKESS-L emergency opening and starting device for Toyota Lexus from 2008 till 2019. Tested car Lexus RX 300 2019. In the hallway of the room we install the key to the car. We see that the car is parked at a distance of about 100 meters from the key. Turn on the big unit of the device. A flashing red-green LED and a bar with the N letter on the display indicate that the key is recognized by the device. The distance between the big unit and the key through the wall is approximately 6 meters. Heading to the car. We check the car is locked. Turn on the small unit. A red LED indicates communication with the big unit. Touch the handle and open the driver's door. We enter the car and put the switched-on small unit on the central console. Press the car start button and immediately start the engine. Turn off the small unit. The engine continues to run. Open/close the driver's door. On the dashboard, a message about the absence of a key in the salon. We stop the engine. Then, consistently 2 times, turn on/off the small unit. By clicking on the car start button, we stop the engine. We show that on the running engine the steering wheel and automatic transmission are unlocked and the car is ready to move. We leave the car, and when the small unit is turned on, we several times close open the car. The test is completed successfully. Thanks all for watching.